congrats guys. Yes, this is a win para sa lahat ng bading.
Yes, of course.
Nararamdaman natin for Best Ensemble.
Napakasaya.
Kaya namin, hindi namin expect.
Hindi talaga namin expect.
Sobra. Pero thankful din kami syempre to be a part of a film like this. An important film such as this na happy kami na maraming nakapanood and ang pinaglalaban din naman namin ay more visibility for films like this. So, and thankful din kami sobra kay Direk Nigel, kay Kiwi,
Sa lahat ng bumubuo ng open ending.
Hindi kami mabubuo dahil sa
Wala sila.
Wala sila.
Yes.
So,
Isa daw sa mga top, isa daw sa malalaking kita. ang
Number
open
one.
endings, diba?
Box
Number one.
office, number one box office hit ng Cinemalaya ang open endings.
What does that mean to the community? Not just for the LGBT, but for the whole film community.
It means that queer films are ready to be, I guess, consumed, to be, people are willing to pay for it, people are willing to go to the cinemas for it. Talagang kailangan lang pagbigyan ng mga malalaking production houses, ng mga producers, investors, because there is an audience for queer film, because there are queer women in the Philippines. So, kailangan lang talagang, I guess, people just need to be more open-minded and to have space for that, because maraming kwentong kailangan ibahagi sa mga Pilipino na, I guess, nahuhuli na tayo. So, it's time to catch up.
Tsaka kitang-kita naman na sabik yung mga sa community natin. Kitang-kita na sabik sila makapanood ng ganitong klaseng pelikula. Kaya sana naman this time, at sa mga susunod na taon, sana maging normal na siya. Hindi na siya bago sa pandinig natin, hindi na siya bago na first time makakapanood.
Sigaw ng Bayan, commercial release na daw after Cinemalaya.
Bakit hindi?
Why not?
Ang dami po nagsasabi na nakaka-heal daw ng inner child ng mga queer na women. So,
Oh.
ano lang po reaction?
Nakakatuwa kasi a friend of mine also told me na pagkatapos niya panoorin yung film, lumawak daw yung mundo niya. And she's not queer. So nakakatuwa na hindi lang yung queer audience yung naging target namin, pati yung, it's for everyone. It's really for everyone. So, nakakatuwa. Thank you.